Maybe we're in trouble. I've got no answers. How to make it better, to get closer to you. Maybe find something new that will arise one more time between us. But the words you've been saying, I can't forget them. There's a pain that grows inside me again and again. Love is a losing game. With or without you, it feels so lonely. Suddenly you're so good to me. I know it won't last more than a week. I remember the last time that you said it won't happen again. Maybe it's your memory, or maybe you're in a loop of bad behavior. I don't wanna analyze you, what is happening. You know I'm a fighter, tired of all battles, losing my direction. There's a limit to our unconditional hearts. Don't say you're sorry, just please get out. Suddenly you're so good to me. I know it won't last more than a week. I remember the last time that you said it won't happen again. Maybe it's your memory, or maybe you're in a loop of bad behavior. I don't wanna analyze you, what is happening. Nearly gave you a heart attack. Thought I told you to watch your back. Never know what to expect down here. That's the only solid fact. Guess I'd rather be on vacation. Guess I haven't got the education. I don't really have an explanation. So I found a new game to play. Thought I told you to stay away, but I see you're here anyway. So yeah, guess you're welcome to overstay. Just don't build up your expectations. It's not a good time to test my patience. And don't get in these situations, 'cause you're chasing a hurricane, taking the rain in vain. My God, it's such a shame, 'cause you got yourself into this. It's not time to at your own risk. No, your name is on my list, and you are exactly where I want. Say I probably lost my mind. Well, you're welcome to try and find. But dear, don't you be surprised if